is an approach to qualitative research that focuses on the commonality of the lived experience. Meron silang commonality, meron silang mga issues or na mga nire-resolve ang situation or money making on the road, the daily adventures of young street vendors. So sa structure natin naman po natin. Sa introduction, ang focus natin dito is we're gonna show the background or yung settings. Pwedeng top-down. Okay, from general to specific. Sean Gomez, sila yung proponent. And then, young street vendors, pero nag-focus muna sa Southeast Asia. From general to specific, and then Philippines. Na Southeast Asia, Philippines. As we can see here, Manila naman. Okay? Background, pwede kang maglagay dyan ng statistics based on the research na. Okay, pwede ka na rin maglagay ng mga proponent dito gaya ni Almendral 2014. Next, sa end nung introduction natin, sa ending paragraph, this